Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakat. Dear students, welcome to Ilmi Online Academy, where you can learn different languages like English, Arabic, Kiswahili, Somali, computer, math, and scientific subject in high school. Welcome to Advanced English class. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn grammar. So be ready with your notebook and a pen. So today we will learn adjective clauses plus quantifiers. So what is adjective first? What is adjective? Adjective is a word that modifies a noun or noun phrases. Adjective is a word that modifies a noun or noun phrases. So let me give you an example. Abdi is a tall boy. Abdi is a noun. Tall is an adjective because it is modifying about the noun which is Abdi. The other example that we have is old. This is an old man. Old and green. This garden is green because it is modifying about the garden which is a noun. This is an old man. Man is a noun. Old is an adjective. And we say adjective are words that modifies a noun or noun phrases. The other question is, what is quantifiers? What is quantifiers? Quantifiers is a word that usually comes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. So we say quantifiers is a word that usually goes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. Similarly, we can say these are words that express the quantity of the object. Let me give you an example. I have 3 pens. I have 3 pens. 3 is a quantifier because it is expressing the quantity of the object that I have. The other example is one, few, many, and many, and all. So, as we have already mentioned, our lesson today is adjective clauses plus quantifier. And we have already explained that what adjective is and what quantifiers are. So in this example, we are going to write 2 sentences. The first one is Abdi has 2 sisters. The second one is both of them smokes. So we want to combine these 2 sentences. And if you know about adjective clauses, there are 2 types, identifying and non-identifying. Non-identifying means extra information. And if you remember that adjective clauses with quantifiers are always non-identifying, means extra information. So in these sentences, Abdi has 2 sisters, both of them smokes is non-essential identifying. Abdi has 2 sisters. Abdi has 2 sisters. Don't forget to put comma because adjective clauses which is non-identifying will put a comma. Both of we have them. One thing you should know about adjective clauses is that we will use relative pronoun. We want to replace them with a relative pronoun. And some of the example of relative pronouns include who, whom, that, whose, when, which, where. So we will ask ourselves which relative pronoun will suit there. Abdi has two sisters, both of dash smokes, both of whom smoke. You might say that we only use whom when the subject is receiving an action. Let's go back to the sentence. Abdi has two sisters, both of whom smoke. In this sentence, the subjects are the one who is doing the action, but they are not receiving the action. So in this case, we will use whom whether or not the subject is receiving or doing the action.